Okay, so what we have here is JPY for the day. So we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is for the 31st. Now, to those that are not subscribed yet, make sure you actually click on the subscribe button, like, share, and so you'll be able to get an update from us. So now let's start with this EURJPY. You can see that at first the foot trend is actually dropping. It was a bearish move. Right now, I can see this as a change in direction movement. So that means more uptrend move is to come. But first, we need to see what this price is actually playing out. We can see that once price came to this same level, we had a rejection here. Same thing in this level, price rejected. Now, so we'll be expecting price to actually come to hit this level, which is a level of 142.784. So this is what I'll be expecting on the EURJPY, something like something like this, a pullback. Now the next movement we'll be expecting on EURJPY is 142.784. So more, we should be expecting a bullish move. The way we had a bullish move today, we should expect similar movements for tomorrow, which is for the 31st. Now let's see what this forward time frame is saying. So we can see that there is kind of like a rejection at this level. Let me highlight it. At first, price came up and gave us a pullback. We had a rejection at the level that I've highlighted. Same thing here. You can see candlestick wick sticking at the bottom. I'm seeing thing here. So the next level we would want to see this EURJPY come to take is this level here. Possibly we are going to break above it. So that is what I'm watching out for. Price will actually break above it. So this level that I'm watching out for, a level of 142.784. So at least till Thursday, we have till Thursday for price to actually get to this same level. So we would expect more bullish move on EURJPY. Now I have a Patreon channel. Those who are interested want to actually subscribe to it. Check the comments below. I'm going to put the link below. So in that channel, you will get an exclusive updates, exclusive content, which is at a very cheap rate. And if you are no longer interested, what you just have to do is just cancel your subscription, by the way. So check the channel right. And the thing is that once you subscribe, you won't be charged immediately. You will actually be charged next month. That is first day of next month. So we still have time to actually check out all my content. If you are not interested, you can go ahead and cancel this subscription, by the way. So check it out in the comment section below.